Hello everybody. I would like to show you how to start a presentation in Adobe Spark. This is a great software to create presentations, and also you can create videos here to use in your course to present your work. So where you would go is go to your browser and type in spark.adobe.com. Okay, and you hit return. Okay, you up here on this top screen, you can either log in or you can start now for free. I will click start now for free. Here you can continue with your Facebook login or your Google login, or if you have an email you can go there, or if you have an account at adobe.com. If you've got the Creative Cloud on your computer, then you do have an account with Adobe. So I'm going to log in with my Adobe password, and my Adobe one is this one, and I'm going to sign in. Now mine already has some presentations. I already have some right here. And I'll show you an example. This was one that I did. We were supposed to tell a story, and with just pictures and just a few words. And I chose The Snow Child. It's a Russian fairy tale about an older couple who couldn't have children, and they longed to have a child. And one day they built a snowman out in the yard, and the next day the snowman was gone, but there were little footprints going into the woods. And later they started seeing a little girl. And then the fairy tale goes on about this little girl. But here's my example right here, The Snow Child. Now, I'm going to go ahead to go to preview, and you'll see what I have here. I have the title here, and there's a picture, and I have a little subtitle. Then I go up here. The people were old, lonely, and childless. And I got a picture of some older people. And then the little snow girl, they had built a little snowman out in their yard. And then they said, let's pretend she is real. But she is gone. There's no snowman. And now there were footprints going into the woods. And who is she? They started seeing her. And she had a little fox with her sometimes. And then one day she finally came to their door and said, may I come in? And the older couple said, yes. And they lived happily ever after. There's a little more to the story, but that's one of the examples that's here. Okay, what I'm going to have you do is, once you're here, to start a new one, you would go to this plus sign at the top of your screen, or you may have to click projects first if you're not already there, and go here. And I will do one on, here's some little templates that you could try. And you can, start with something like this and make them to fit your needs. But I want you to go to create a web page right here. Let's see, I think I will do one on dogs. So here, I'm going to go here, and I will put fantastic dogs. Okay? And I will go here. I will say something about the best of the best. So I have a title and a subtitle. Now, to get a picture behind this, I will click this plus and put a photo. Right now, I want you to go to Find Free Photos, but you can upload photos, and if you've got an account with Adobe Stock, you can use some of these, or you can use some without an account as a prototype, but it's usually you can't publish that. Or if you've got some images in your Creative Cloud, or in your Dropbox. You could put your pictures up in your Dropbox or your Google Photos or Google Drive, but I'm going to have Find Free Photos. And I'm going to put, let's see, we'll do the first dog as a Samoyed. Okay, I'm actually in Samoyed Rescue. So once I've got that there, I will hit return, and it'll bring a lot of pictures of them. So let's go get a really pretty one that I like. I like this one. So there's my title page with the dogs in the background. Okay, now you'll scroll down and let's click on this little plus, and I'm going to put some type. And this will be a heading. So I'll go H1, and here I will put Samoyeds, Samoyed. Some people call it that too, Samoyed. Oh wait, S-M-O-Y, S-M-O-Y-E-D. Now, I'm going to click in there, and I've already got it heading 1, but I want to do this. Center it. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you about themes. This is just your generic. I'm going to go to themes, and I'm going to choose one that will go really well with dogs. So I kind of like, let's try Trek. I'm going to use Trek and see how that goes. Ah, that's kind of pretty. Yeah, I like that. A little bolder on the type. Okay, the Samoyed. Now, to get pictures in here, I will click the plus sign here again. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is a photo grid. Okay, so I already have Samoyeds here, so I will do a photo grid. And all you do is click one of them, and you go find another one. Here's a girl with some. And you can go find another one. I'm looking for some puppies. There's always some nice puppies. Well, here's a nice one. This dog. Okay. And if you don't like that, you can click the little trash can at the bottom and choose something else. I like this one. They're a Nordic dog, and that looks like it's way up north and up in the mountains. And so I've got a grid of 3 pictures here. If I like that, I will go save. Okay, and on the caption, I could put caption down here if I want. I would say Samoyeds are Nordic dogs. Okay, that's good. Now let's try a second one. How about German Shepherds? So I will type, and I'll use heading 1, and I'll type German Shepherds. German Shepherd. Now I'll click in the type again, and I will center it. Okay, German Shepherd. Now, in this case, I will upload a photo, just a photo, and there's first of all, let's look for German Shepherd. And hit return. And there are some beautiful German Shepherds here. I'm going to choose one that really looks like a German Shepherd. Here's a long-haired German Shepherd. So there's a German Shepherd. Now I can have that picture, and let me go down here so that you can see what's going on. I can have this picture either inline, or to fill my screen, which is real big, or as a window. What you'll see here is it'll just bring up part of the picture. That didn't work out too well with this one. So I'll click on the picture again. There's the full width, and that's kind of like fill the page too. I'll click on it again. And so those were my choices. So in this one, I'm going to do inline. Okay? Now I'll go down, and I could add a caption. I'd say long-haired, L-O-N-G. Oops, hyphen. Okay, and hit return. Now I'll go do another picture, and I'll go get a photo. And now one that's that we can see the German Shepherd if we do the window. Oh, I know what. There's one here. This is a black German Shepherd, and they are very beautiful. And they have those gold eyes, which make them very distinctive. So I'll choose this one to be in a window. So now what we'll do is let's check and see what it looks like in the window. Ah, you don't quite get the eyes. Well, that's pretty good. Okay, now I will choose another picture, photo, and I'll get a third one. That one will be, okay, this is pretty cool. This one. And I might do this one the full screen or full width. I'll do it full width. Okay, so there's the German Shepherds. Now, I love these dogs. Okay, right now, what we will do is down here, I will create a button and take you to where there's information about German Shepherds. So I'll go up here and I'll put in, or Samoyeds, S-M-O-Y-E-D, and I'll hit return, and I'll find an article. Here's AKC Samoyed Puppies for Sale. Let's see if that'd be a good one. Let's see. These are puppies for sale. Here we go. That's what the little puppies look like. So I will copy this link, Command C or Control C, and I will go ahead and put a button here. Go here and click button, and on the button I will say Samoyed Puppies for Sale. And then I will paste that link right here, right there. And I think I'll center it in my alignment, and I will go save. Okay, so as people come through, after they look at it, they can find Samoyed Puppies for Sale. And I can do the same thing with the German Shepherds. I will go here and add another button, and let's go look for German Shepherds. German Shepherd. And now let's, oh, here's cheap German Shepherd sale. Let's see what that website looks like. Oh, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Let's go find a different one. Oh, here's German Shepherd puppies. Fetch your new best friend. Okay, that's a good one. There's a variety of little shepherd puppies. So I will copy this link, Command C or Control C, and I will go here and put that, I'll call it German Puppies for Sale. And I will paste the link there, Command V or Control V, and then I'll center it. And I will say save. And now at the end here, I would think I'll add a little photo. And on the photo, I'm going to do, oh wait, this one I will do a glide show. Okay, in a glide show, you can have several pictures or just one picture if you want. And in this case, I will do something really, this is a beautiful picture, so I'll use that. And once I get that done, I will say save. Oops, where'd my picture go? I will say saved. Now, when you do a glide show, you get these little boxes, and I will say, I'll use text. And I think I'll do it like a little quote on the side, and I will say, a dog is man's best friend. Okay, so I like that. Okay, now I'm going to click out of there. Now here's how you, whoops, let's go here a minute. Here's how you preview it. You click the preview button up at the top of your screen. And here it is, Fantastic Dogs, the best of the best. Samoyed, and there's a grid with 3 pictures of Samoyeds. I call them Samoyeds. And I had the caption, Samoyeds are Nordic dogs. And then there's a link for puppies. Let's go check it out. There it is, puppies for sale. So then I'd have German Shepherd, and this is a long-haired German Shepherd. And then this is the window, and it is pretty cool. You see his little nose, and then you see those eyes. And then here's one that's full screen of German Shepherds. And now here's a link to go get German Shepherd puppies. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, and now here's the glide show. There's an artistic rendition, and I wrote, "A dog is man's best friend." So I will exit out of the preview. Now, to share this, you would click on Share and Publish and Share link. Now, fantastic dogs, you would pick a category. Let's see, on mine, it would probably be, let's say photography. I don't see pets, or I could do other. And I do want people to be able to see it, that my name on this, that this was mine. And here's all the credits of all the pictures that are going to show up at the end of this presentation. And I don't need to be, well, this might be good. And here's where I create link. Now it's making my link. This is the link right here that you can send as an email, put on Facebook, put on your website, whatever you want. Here's the link that you can share so other people can see it. And if you want to embed it into a website, your presentation, you would go here and copy the embedding script here and actually add this this embedding type here and actually put it into your website, this coding. So I hope this helps you, and have fun with this project. Thank you.